Alright.
My keringat out there.
Sweat.
Over. Okay.
Sweat.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank you for the opportunity. Uh, say about I want to say about success. Success is very a word. Is very many means, many different people is different means, and maybe I have a standard about success. Maybe you know what Nabi Muhammad say, the Prophet say, Sami'na wa ta'na. I think it's if you follow this, you can get success. I guess in this time and all of time in the future. I don't want to say about a life until you dead, and I think success you can have if until not many until unlimited for success if you in heaven, and many people in the world they have many problems in this life. Not not everyone are a good man. I think it's, we don't have much money, and don't many people in the world have much money.